Welcome to my channel Glow with Tahina. Useful advanced English sentences. Speak English like an educated person. Normal English and advanced English. How are you? How have you been? I don't know. I am not entirely sure. I agree. I could not agree more. Be careful. Please be cautious. I am busy. I am tied up at the moment. I think so. I believe so. That's a good idea. That's an excellent suggestion. Wait a minute. Just a moment, please. I am very happy. I am absolutely delighted. It's very important. It's of great importance. डेली यूज़ करें फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलें सेव दिस पोस्ट एंड प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग